Olá, galera! Bem-vindos ao canal, primeiro vídeo do canal GVExplorer. E aí, nós estamos hoje explorando um mundo bem conhecido, mas não sou eu que estarei explorando. E também eu nem sei se a gente estaria explorando esse mundo. Tá bom. Mas mais especificamente hoje nós vamos reagir a um mundo conhecido pelo um youtuber bem conhecido na América do Norte, chamado ThinkNoodles, que também é uma inspiração minha de começar a fazer um vídeo desses com animojis e tudo. Sendo que eu não quero forçar muito pro primeiro vídeo, porque tem gente aí fora que sente medo um pouco de jogar Roblox, DOS pelo menos, né, esses jogos, pra mim, assim, claro, pra mim é meio simples do jogo, mas tudo bem, né, porque é pra mim, mas tem muita gente que tem mais questões sobre mais fragilidade. Vamos lá? I see dead people.
Okay, that's good, dude. That was good. All right. Now that I've subscribed to this channel, this just popped.
Você não me entende muito de Roblox, eu recomendo vocês a pesquisarem um pouco sobre ele, do que se trata, pelo menos para pesquisar um pouquinho dos monstros que tem no jogo e pelo menos para que cada um faz, para vocês entenderem mais ou menos, se vocês nunca jogaram. Caso vocês podem ver isso assim do começo, sem entender nada, se vocês acharem engraçado, tudo bem, tudo bom. Para mim, no final, o que importa é você se divertir. E eu também me diverti para quando eu for visitar isso com vocês, né? Ok. Roblox or Funny Moments. Vamos embora então. Por que nome? 5 milhões de subscritos. Uau.
Up in my home feed, and there are actually two. There's Doors Funny Moments and Doors Funny Moments 2. And I'm gonna try to do this as a try not to laugh. So let's put the counter on screen here.
Oh,
Mr.
Já que são try not to laugh, por que a gente também não coloca para nós o nosso aqui na tela? Não tentar, vamos tentar não rir junto com ele. Vamos ver. Eu espero que a gente consiga segurar mais que ele. Vamos ver como é que vai ser.
My face a little bit. Okay, let's do this.
Ok, vamos embora.
You see? All right. Oh, they made like a Doors, like runner, mobile runner.
What?
Screech bit his foot. Okay. Okay, Doors. Yeah. Okay, in the lobby as a noob, not as a bacon. Okay. No, this is accurate. This is accurate.
What?
Cool effects too. Oh, seek chase. Fucking gorilla.
What?
Wait, what?
Oh.
Where did the? Wait a minute. What just happened? Wait, he got a gun? No! Okay. Lights flicker.
Ainda não foi errado. Did you like and subscribe?
No.
Like and subscribe so he.
What?
Okay, but I already, I didn't like, okay? Wait, actually I did, I already liked, and I'm already subscribed. Have you already liked and subscribed to my video? All right, that's one. All right, I'll try again.
Nope.
Don't laugh. The problem is, once I rip that Band-Aid off, I can't stop laughing. Oh, he's gonna do something crazy with figure, dude.
This is for Rachel, you big fat white.
What the?
That meme, oh my goodness!
Fala, você é o bichão mesmo, hein, doido?
Oh, you can't get that! That had nothing to do with Doors, dude. You cannot laugh at that.
Okay.
Left
Okay,
to solve the puzzle. Then open the door.
Okay.
Green. Lumpa lumpa body ass.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Okay. All right, yeah, you got it, bro. It's easy.
What?
Wait, Discord.
I'm gonna come up there unexpected and
Did
wait
he
on
just post that on Discord
Alright.
so that the
My
you got stuck in the closet.
Eu odeio isso aí.
Oh my god.
Oh no, I laughed. I can't believe I just laughed at that. That wasn't even that It is, though. It is. It's like, it's so frustrating and annoying.
I'm coming up right now.
Hurry up, Jeffrey.
That's what I'm talking about!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. He almost made it.
Yep. That.
Oh, this is old library. Wait, what? Jeffrey.
What?
Oh, my goodness.
Why you took...
I have to laugh, dude. The burp and then the kiss.
Oh, yeah.
All right. If you died a secret, dude. Timothy.
Yeah.
What's good?
Bye, have a great time.
Nah, minus 500 now. But I guess this was made a while ago, so maybe it was 250 at the time. There you go. Oh, I love the dance with the crucifix. You made it to door 100, final boss. Okay.
What?
It's a man you can slap but can also stroke.
Alright, eu não lembro dessa animação, não.
Uh-oh. Bro, you should have crouched.
No.
Never been to 100, I didn't know where to go. Start over, bro. 29 deaths? You need a teammate. Bro, 29 deaths, you should have beaten it by now.
Oh, my.
Are you at me?
No, I don't think so.
Heck,
Mas eu posso voar, baby?
Don't care.
Reporting for fly hacking.
Oh, deixa eu ver se tem uns.
He fell down.
Why y'all put cheese on my cheese, bro?
Paul.
Paul.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that painting? Oh, okay. Doors with Paul. All right.
What the?
What? Why? Paul!
21.
Can you do something for me?
21.
What?
Yes!
Yo.
Do that! I love it.
Go!
Yeah, you did.
Eu acho.
Take his stuff.
Oh, no.
All right, get to 100. Did you buy a skeleton? You
What
got
the-
duped. Buy the skeleton key. There you go. Oh, that was a cool transition. Okay.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, it's the Herba Veritas. There you go. Oh, jeez. I know that music.
Ai, aliviado.
Oh, glitch. And then ambush, and you're dead. Nice kiss.
Yeah.
You.
The
next day.
Bro, how many times did this take you?
Nah.
Oh, dude.
Are you... Oh, man. Troll rush. Whew. Sup. Oh, nice. Bob stabbed him.
Ah! Eu não sei se é isso. Comida. Ah, não sei.
Okay.
Eu vou deixar uma.
You can do this, bro. I mean, it's not that dark.
I have teeth, but I will help you get to 100.
Okay.
Whoa!
And then let him do the rest by himself. Oh, dude. Help you, but I'll also steal the closet. Yoink. Wait.
Whoa!
Oh, what? Wait, huh? Oh, he did help. He sacrificed himself.
Nope.
You good, bro?
Micey!
R.I.P. in peace, bro.
Me, please.
Fly high.
Yep.
Okay. Come on, bro. You can do this. So I wonder if his second one is floor 2, because floor 2 is much harder than the hotel. If he's having this much trouble with the hotel, oh, he's got a crucifix. He should be all right.
Identify yourself. Who the...
You got it, bro.
Let's go.
Meanwhile.
Wow, it's so much funnier with the sounds.
What?
You got to do the thing. Okay. Got it. I would run.
Baby? Did you miss me?
Oh yeah, do it. Yo. See ya.
Oh,
Woo! You did it. Congratulations. You
back at the lobby.
Mikey, you
Oh.
want to go?
There he is.
I'm happy you in. Thank you, man. You're welcome.
Hey, oh,
I am
Gone.
to him. Goodbye,
bye, Jim.
What?
For friends.
I haven't seen them since
1 million likes for part 2.
1 million likes. 1 million likes.
I'm so sad.
Oh, he
That
just
was so
realized-
funny and good.
He just realized that it was a YouTuber. Oh, it is the mines. Nice. Okay. And I already liked and subscribed, so don't ask me, bro.
Yep.
Don't make me laugh
Eu
for
vi
it.
o vídeo
Oh,
dele.
gross. Yep. Sick poop. Can't start there, though. You gotta go way back,
Pra
bro.
dançar, mano. Que isso, ele tá dançando.
You went the wrong way, brother.
I see dead people.
What?
Okay, that's good, dude.
I
That was
remember
good.
this.
All right, all right.
Não,
29
não,
seconds in.
não,
How
não,
many?
não, não, não,
Are we at like
não,
5
não,
or
não,
6?
não,
Okay, okay, come on.
Bom pra você, velho.
All right, update
Bom pra
day.
você.
Oh, wow, he was there. Where is
Eu
everyone?
gostaria.
Yes, sir.
Na verdade,
Yes, sir.
Hey, mine.
He ain't gonna know what to do.
Light sticks. Good for trick shots.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, like
In the mines,
literally.
there are 100 rooms to get through,
Mina.
but only a few of them have boss battles where you can die easily. And when you do, you start over. Also like and subscribe.
I already did. I already said I did.
What are you doing?
Oh. There, that's the trick shot badge.
Figure is the first boss in the game. He sucks. So I'm just gonna skip him from now on.
Oh, I wish you could do that.
eu também.
You're gonna miss. Yeah, everybody misses the first time.
Eu nunca
I did
consegui
too.
finalizar mais.
Look, guys,
Sempre que, mas é muito.
I know
Wait, who
what
are you
you
talking
think.
to? Oh, yeah.
I can play this game on my own. I can't do it. It's not the
You-
same.
Yeah, you
I
need,
need
you
the
need Paul.
boys.
Paul and Mikey. No way. Is it? Oh, no, they aren't them. Really? Those guys ain't gonna help. I mean, I
Where
shouldn't
did you
judge a
guys go?
skin by its cover.
Oh,
Oh, they back! It's Paul and Mikey!
yes, sir. Now we're with 3 people.
I am
The
recording.
dream team. Oh, you can use their POV too.
Yeah,
Nice.
noodles também.
Okay, they didn't know what they were doing.
Oh, hey.
Ah, é fácil. É que ele é fácil.
It is funny when it happens to people,
Criado, eu
though.
gosto de beijo.
Just don't hold a light.
Okay.
Easy.
Eyes.
Look away.
Just
Yep.
So beautiful. I know.
All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's actually pretty rare. That room nowadays. Man, the giggles love kissing you.
É. Eles são os motivos que eu
What
considero-
the? I've never seen that glitch before. Oh no! Wait. What are you doing with the light stick?
What?
Wait. I gotta watch. Dude, I wasted a laugh on that, but I gotta watch that.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Man,
Ah, you
he
forgot
just
that
he just
for me.
loves kissing
Oh, no.
giggles. Oh, they got killed by Raj.
Day 2.
Yeah. Day 2. I hear eyes, but
I
then
avoid that.
you gotta look above you.
yep.
I stare them down.
I stare them down. Yeah, no, they
Diego,
gonna
no.
kiss your face again. Oh yeah, they just start spamming glow sticks. What are you doing? What are you doing? You shouldn't have gone in there.
Mano, tava total desse vídeo.
Okay. Trick shots. Oh, okay. Oh, they're playing like basketball, trying to get it
Oh,
onto
that's what
things or
it's
like land on things into the. Okay. Bounce it off the side. Yes, dude,
We
get the
speed
dunk.
running through the rooms, but
Okay.
the game only really starts after the next door.
What? What is that? Okay, 140. Ah, okay,
Seek
okay.
chase.
First seek chase. Yep, that's what I'm saying.
Ele realmente tá.
They are not getting. Well, he's already been through it once, so they might make it. Oh, he missed again. No, but this is the right. No, not death. You're going in the minecart, bro. Now lean. Oh, this is like a mobile game. No, it's way faster than that. Oh, they did it. They made it. Oh, it took 10 attempts, though. That makes more sense. Oh, man. They are not going to do well in the nest
Oh, mano, passar
for the first, like, 5 times.
Floor 150, the nest. Pretty much a maze. We need
Ooh,
to
that's
find
a cool
every
map.
generator scattered around the tunnels and activate them.
Is that the actual map? It's kind of
Once
cool.
they're all activated, the bridge lowers
really?
and we escape. Also, there are 3 grumbles trying to kill you in this room.
I like the buck teeth ones. Yep. That's what I thought. This room sucks. Yep.
A mãe dos 3 filhotes.
Gosh. They have to keep. It's too hard. They're giving up. Snap out of it, bro.
You got this.
We can do this. Look, he's got 61 deaths now. He's died like 30 times in this video.
Yep. Só no mais, eu já morri umas 40, 50 vezes. E eu passei.
I'm not gonna waste your time. The winning run. Let's go. All right. Now we know what happens. That's it. I'm just kidding.
Really feel like we can make it. We need to lock in. Get a
Yeah,
little
lock
bit of
in,
luck
boys. You
and
gotta
stay
lock in.
calm.
Yes. I wonder if they actually like got all the way to door 200 and then died there. Because that happened to a lot of people. I was like, Dan, it took him like 6 tries on door 200. Oh, that would be cool if he actually did that instead of disappearing. It like turned into Sifu on the ground. Get them cheers, bro.
Good for 10 times.
Oh, nice little haircut, little shave. Oh, that's a rare find.
God did. Laser pointer.
Yeah, garbage. What? A second crucifix? Oh, this is a god run right here. What RNG is this?
What?
Oh, they crucified C.
Mais uma vez.
Really though? You should have saved that for the grumbles, honestly. I mean,
Like I said earlier, I hate this room. It's boring.
It's not boring, it's just, it takes a long
But in
time.
this run,
Speed, bro. I'm skipping it. Bye.
She's locking up.
Yep. Okay. Now this is before, I don't know when he made this. Is it before they changed the second seek chase? I'm actually curious because they said they did on launch. So. Oh wait, I kind of wanted to see. Okay, yeah, change the just music. You don't like.
Yeah.
I wanted to see if we saw the vine there that used to be there. Oh, okay. So 5 doors. So actually,
Vai embora.
I could never die to Rush, but he did. Okay, wait, he pranked you. Oh, they all survived. Okay. So yeah, it is second seek chase, but I think sewage pipe ones.
Seek again. I die in game.
Then I die in game, then I die for real. Oh jeez. So yeah, it isn't the one. Yeah, with this chase is actually hard. I didn't think so. But they changed it now. So anyway, locked in. Y'all did it. You're at 200. Where's Paul? Where's Paul? Guys, I can't believe this. No. What happened to Paul? Oh, you went the wrong way. Yeah, he got lost. So it's just Mikey now.
Paul, we are going to do this.
Yes, for Paul.
Paul. Thank you, Paul. Madhouse. What?
I've actually never done this with other people. I've only ever done this alone.
final boss.
Eu já cheguei.
Solo.
We need to use all the
hora
to flush this dookie away. He's just chilling.
Yeah, he is. He's just chilling. You just gotta be careful. Oh, careful. No, dude. No, Mikey. Wait, okay. Oh, that's not Mikey. That's us, isn't it? Okay. Finally, the end. There you go. There you go. So they got his POV. 1.
Vai.
There you go, Mikey. 2, 3. Come on. Where's the last one? Oh man, I don't know why I even laughed at that.
I need to return the favor. I'll
Yep.
do it.
You do it.
talking about, man?
Yeah. You saved him. He swapped the
Leo.
closet. You don't remember,
Leo,
Mikey? Mikey doesn't remember.
Wow!
He sacrificed himself in the closet. Oh, dude, he's got no health left. Lock in, bro. Oh, Mikey starts to help. Okay. We believe in you,
eu já tentei
Jim.
essa parte sozinho.
Oh, he's got it. He's got it. I can see where he was. No, don't miss. Mikey! Mikey! Oh, it's draining with him in the seek juice. Is it gonna drain him too, or is he good?
Out we
On the
go.
drain.
I died.
No, Mikey!
Essa,
Oh man, it's so
essa pegou
lovely.
esse de vai.
The dream team.
Vai.
It's true though. He made it alone again.
Believe in yourself. You got this.
You got it, Jim.
Ele escolheu. Foi escolhido por ele.
In loving memory
Caminho
of Paul and
solitário.
Mikey.
You can be the prettiest girl in town. I'm beating you up.
Sai, não, você
Why
não.
I laughed
Eu
at that?
sou.
What do you mean
Eu
to be
sou
continued? What? How? Oh, the outdoors.
De Alto. Ok. Eu espero que pelo menos eu tenha tido menos risadas do que ele, tá? Eu espero que eu tenha ganho nessa parte. E pelo menos agora vocês estão familiares do que Doors é. Pelo menos eu acho que vocês estarão, né? Eu não tenho a menor ideia se vocês estão meio que... Se esse vídeo te deu mais ou menos uma noção do que vai esperar no mundo de Roblox Doors, mas... Mano, tipo... Foi tão uma bagunça esse... Eu tive muito problema de entender o que estava acontecendo em cada momento. Mas eu não tava... Eu podia... Ah, meu Deus. Tá bom. Mas continuando o fato, vocês pelo menos deram uma noção de o que nós vamos fazer no próximo vídeo. Eu estarei on the mines. Eu aceito comentários falando se vocês querem que eu jogue primeiro o hotel, né? Porque eu já finalizei o hotel, né? Sendo que eu tenho acesso ao mine, você tem que finalizar o anterior dele. Mas a minha ideia é ir no Mines primeiro, mas eu não gostaria. Eu gostaria de explorar tudo, do hotel até o Mines. Na verdade, do Backdoors até o Mines tem um Rooms também. Mas se vocês conhecem, vocês vão entender o que eu tô falando. Se vocês não conhecem, vocês podem pesquisar. Assim, praticamente assim, tem um Rooms que tem 1000 portas, mas em contrário só tem 3 monstros atrás de você, mas você vai precisar ouvir muito bem. Eu já passei do Rooms também. Depois de muito curso, eu devo ter durado uma semana pra passar do Rooms. Nossa senhora, 1000 portas. Foi complicado. E eu também já passei do Backdoors, que pra mim é mais difícil que o Rooms. Muito mais difícil que o Rooms. E... cada um tem a sua opinião. Mas espero que vocês tenham gostado. Eu espero também que... Eu também já vou até falar, já mencionar isso de uma vez, né? Por favor, se vocês tiverem gostado do vídeo do ThinkNoodles, o meu inspirador de fazer um vídeo deles igual aí, espero que vocês vão e cliquem no botãozinho de... O meu tá C-Perks, mas vai lá e clica pra... de subscribe, por favor, né? E gostem do vídeo também. Deixa um like no vídeo. Se vocês quiserem, pode deixar um like no meu vídeo também. Com certeza eu não vou odiar. E ao mesmo tempo, é bom que eu já fico conhecido de que tem alguns exploradores aí afora que estão interessados em juntar a exploração. Então eu espero ver vocês no próximo vídeo, onde nós vamos explorar o mundo desconhecido de Doors. Num universo gigante de vários mundos diferentes, mas por enquanto Vamos começar com Doors, que é um dos mundos do universo de Roblox que é mais conhecido. Espero que, de novo, tenham gostado e espero ver vocês, queridos exploradores, no próxima exploração. Eu ia pegar meu chapéu e, tipo, fazer aquele cenário bem cool, né? Fazer... eu acho que dá pra fazer assim. Vocês entendem, se vocês estão vendo o animoji, dá pra entender mais ou menos o que eu quis fazer. Mas aqui não aparece a minha mão. Então, até a próxima.
Come aboard and fly along. Bring your hopes and dreams. Together we'll explore the stars and worlds we've never seen. Galaxies unfold, shining maps in